Hello everyone, welcome back to Autopulse. Jorvik, already well known for their rugged electric tricycles, has taken their expertise to the next level. They've seamlessly blended urban commuting, outdoor adventure, and micro-camping into a single lightweight folding package. Whether you're headed for a weekend in the countryside, an urban exploration, or a full-time minimalist lifestyle, this trike promises to deliver a smooth, flexible, and surprisingly luxurious experience. Starting with its core, the 2025 model features a powerful 750-watt rear hub motor paired with a high-capacity 20-amp-hour lithium-ion battery. With 5 levels of pedal assist and a full throttle mode, it offers a top speed of up to 20 miles per hour, and a realistic range between 40 and 60 miles, depending on terrain and load. Charging the battery from empty to full takes about 5 to 6 hours with the upgraded fast charger included as standard. But power isn't the only headline. The engineering behind the folding mechanism is a real standout. In under 5 minutes, the tricycle frame folds neatly to fit into tighter storage spaces, or to be easily carried in larger vehicles like vans or SUVs. Despite the folding design, Jorvik made sure not to compromise structural strength. A reinforced aluminum alloy frame ensures durability and stability even when carrying heavy loads, while maintaining a surprisingly light curb weight of just under 95 pounds without the camper module attached. Speaking of the camper, that's where the real magic happens. The camper pod, built from a mix of ultra-lightweight carbon fiber panels and water-resistant materials, folds flat onto the rear cargo rack when not in use. When deployed, it extends into a solo sleeping pod, complete with insulated panels, ventilation ports, and a pop-up canopy that offers standing height under a weatherproof awning. Inside the camper, you'll find a memory foam sleeping pad, ample LED lighting powered separately by a flexible solar panel mounted on the roof, USB ports for charging devices, and cleverly designed storage compartments for essentials like food, water, and camping gear. Despite its compact size, it feels surprisingly cozy and secure, designed with minimalist travelers in mind. Safety and comfort are also key focuses of this 2025 model. The trike comes equipped with hydraulic disc brakes on all 3 wheels for reliable stopping power. It features front suspension forks and a sprung seat post to smooth out rough rides, making it comfortable even on gravel roads or forest trails. Wide puncture-resistant tires add stability and grip across all types of terrain. The riding position is upright and ergonomic, ideal for long hours in the saddle. Adjustable handlebars and a wide, padded saddle ensure that riders of different heights can customize the fit to their liking. Meanwhile, an intuitive backlit LCD display keeps track of speed, battery life, distance traveled, and assistance levels at a glance. For those planning longer trips, Jorvik offers optional accessories like an attachable mini kitchen kit, an additional battery for extended range, and even a trailer hitch to pull extra cargo if needed. They've truly thought of everything for modern nomads and adventurous spirits alike. On the tech side, the 2025 Jorvik electric folding camper tricycle comes with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing riders to sync the bike with their smartphones. Through the dedicated Jorvik app, you can plan routes, monitor battery health, adjust power settings, and even activate a built-in GPS anti-theft tracker for added security. Environmental responsibility is a huge part of Jorvik's design philosophy. All major materials in the trike and camper are either recyclable or sustainably sourced. The solar panels are high efficiency and capable of keeping small devices charged indefinitely when the sun is out, making it easy to live off-grid for days at a time. Another brilliant feature is the modular design. The entire camper system can be detached if you just want to use the tricycle for commuting or errands around town. This transforms the vehicle into a highly capable electric cargo trike with over 150 pounds of carrying capacity in the rear rack alone. When it comes to price, the Jorvik electric folding camper tricycle sits at the premium end of the market, retailing at around $4,999 before accessories. However, when you consider it replaces a car, a bike, and a tent all in one, it's a strong value proposition for serious travelers and eco-conscious adventurers. Reviews from early adopters have been overwhelmingly positive. Users praise the balance between power, portability, and livability. Some even say it has completely changed how they think about camping and traveling, offering a slower, more connected way to experience the world without sacrificing comfort or security. The 2025 Jorvik model isn't just a camper trike. It's a lifestyle enabler, a freedom machine, and a statement that big adventures can come from small, sustainable vehicles. Whether you're dreaming of coastal road trips, hidden forest camps, or just more independence without the cost and hassle of traditional RVs, this folding electric camper trike could very well be your next big move. As micro-camping, van life, and tiny living continue to grow in popularity, the Jorvik electric folding camper tricycle is poised to become a true game-changer. With thoughtful engineering, smart technology, and genuine adventure spirit baked into every inch, it represents a thrilling glimpse into the future of personal travel.